First, the cabinets. Let's get this dismantled. Stripping the walls now, pipes and wires out. Scaffolding up, time for the roof and ceiling. Plastering the ceiling, almost there. Time to get started on these cabinets. Stripping this old plaster now. Roof supports going up securely. Wiring in place for the lights. Plumbing lines are replaced. Good progress on the restoration. Okay, let's start. Cabinets first. Got it. I'll start on this one. I'll clear the debris. Roof beams are set, tiles next. Good. Windows and plaster next. Keep the dust down. This plaster is coming off easily. Scaffolding secure, running the wires now. Good, let's get this floor leveled. Primer's dry, ready for the final coat. Got it, moving up. Tyler, you ready for us? Yeah, almost done here. The fountain looks perfect, it really does. Wiring's done, ready for paint. Good. Sconce is up, primer's on, tiles next. Chandelier's lit, looks great. Fountain's repaired, water's flowing. Final check, villa's perfect.
Wow, this kitchen is stunning. And that chandelier is magnificent.
Incredible work, team. Villa del Tramonto is reborn.
Primer's on, moving to the final coat. I'll get the lights mounted. Tiles are set, fountain's next. Furniture's in place. Let's check the final results. Primer's on, let's get the top coats finished.
The fountain is running perfectly now.
The villa is complete, a true luxury.